I have the biggest news that you may hear all day long, and it is currently July 27th, and we are booking clients for the upcoming Christmas lighting season. And I want you to be very well aware. And so you might think it's a little bit early to do this, but the earlier the better, just so you know you have a spot. Because once October comes, once November comes, it's going to be very hard to get on a lot of people's schedules, especially those who do great work. And so here's our Google page, Larkin Outdoor Lighting. We have 95 five-star Google reviews on here. And on Facebook, we have over 1,000 followers with 19 100% recommended from 19 reviews. Here's my two dogs. We got Griffey right here. We got Chubbs smelling something on the right. And yeah, I'm just super pumped up about Christmas. As you can tell. Can you tell? Are you sure? But anyways, we're gonna be letting everybody know pretty frequently that we are doing Christmas lights starting October 1st. That'll be our first installation date. And the sooner you get on the schedule, the better. Just want to let you guys know. But it's Ben with Larkin Outdoor Lighting. I hope you guys have a beautiful day. Thank you.